The founder of medicine is Bu Alicina. The book Al-Nabatat belongs to Jabir bin Hayyan, the first Muslim scientist who studied animals in detail. Abdul Malik Asma'i. Abdul Malik Asma'i was born in (780 AD). The famous book Al-Ibl is written by Abdul Malik Asma'i. Book of Bu Alicina on medicine is Al-Qanun fil Tibb. The author of Al-Qanun fil Tibb is Bu Alicina. Every living thing is made from water. Famous book of Jabir bin Hayyan is Al-Nabatat. The number of bioelements in nature is 16. The element that 65% of the total mass of organism is oxygen. The element that makes 0.3% of total mass of living thing is nitrogen. The molecules which have low molecular weight is called micromolecules. Which one of the following is macromolecule? Starch. Example of micromolecule is
Thanks for watching and do
glucose.
subscribe.